bringing back the Boss.
The 2012 Boss 302 underwent special development to achieve its exhilarating race-bred performance.
Basically, we started with the Boss 302, our racing program. Those guys took the existing Mustang, went racing with it, came back to us and told us everything that we had to do to make the car better. So effectively, we took all of the engineering that they worked on to make this car successful on the track and applied it to the street car.
Every key Mustang performance system was strengthened or refined to create the new Boss 302.
We've added a functional front splitter to the vehicle. We added a spoiler to the rear of the car. We added some underbody airflow actions, all in the name of balancing out the aerodynamics better. What the splitter does is it creates a stagnation zone of air pressure on top that creates additional downforce above. And then it also accelerates the air underneath the car, and by having the higher speed air go underneath, it creates a pressure delta that helps suck the car to the ground further. Same concept goes on with the rear spoiler.
So one of the best features about this Boss 302 is what we call track key. So when you get your Boss, you've got two different keys. This would be the normal key. The one marked in red is the track key. It's going to disable skip shift. It's going to enable launch control. It's also going to give you a lopey idle. It sounds like the thing's got a racing cam instantly installed in it. And it basically brings the Boss 302R's calibration from the racetrack into your street machine.
On the 2012 Boss, we wanted to push things as far as we could. So we added in our quad exhaust, our side pipe exhaust. We're just piping the acoustics out the side. We still retain the rest of the tailpipe. What that gives you in engineering terms is a better transfer function. Right here in the flange, we have a little disc in there. We tune it to get the appropriate level so that the car is legal. The system is designed so that there's two bolts here. The customer, when they get it home, if they want to take it out to the track, they can unbolt this, pull down the plate, pull the plate out, drop it down when they're ready to hit the track.
One of the big things we got was adjustable dampers. We really wanted to give the customer the option of running a really stiff setup for the track, and then you can dial it back a little bit to go home. In vehicle, the customer can just grab their small screwdriver and go between one of 5 different settings to adjust the damping control in the vehicle.
This car is fast. We need to be able to stop. That's why we put so much focus on the cooling and really giving that driver good stopping power to be able to manage all that speed.
For the weekend racer who wants the essential components for winning at the track, there's the Laguna Seca package.
This takes everything on the Boss and brings it up one more notch.
For the Laguna Seca, we changed it up and we did race red graphics on either a black or silver car, and the reason for this is just to be kind of in your face, and also on the racetrack it looks fantastic. The rear seat delete on the Laguna as well is something that we are saving weight with and adding a structural crossmember back there that gives you torsional stiffness, and really it's all about being a driver's car.
The Boss 302 is built for ultimate Mustang performance, whether on the street or on the track.
We wanted to make sure people felt what this car was capable of, and when they got in it, it was a riot to drive.